Two planes simultaneously take off from the same airport. Plane A flies 400 miles per hour at north 20 degrees east. Plane B flies 500 miles per hour at south 30 degrees east. How far apart are the planes after 3 hours? What are the bearings from plane A to plane B at the end of the 3 hours? First, let's create a 20-degree angle northeast of the origin. We're going to label this point A because that's the direction plane A is going in. Then we're going to label this point C because we're trying to find the side length opposite of this angle. Now we're going to create the 30-degree angle southeast of the origin for plane B. Since this angle is a 180-degree angle and the angles are supplementary, the angle here should add up to 180. Since we know the 20-degree angle and the 30-degree angles are included, we can subtract from 180 to find the remaining degree. The remaining degree is 130 degrees. Now we're going to connect A to B to make the triangle and try to solve for this side, which is their distance apart. In order to find the opposite side, we need two other sides. So since we know that plane A is traveling at 400 miles per hour for 3 hours, we can multiply 400 times 3, which will be 1,200 miles. And plane B travels at 500 miles per hour for 3 hours, which will be 1,500 miles. Now we can use the law of cosines to figure out side C. The law of cosines is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2 times ab cosine c. Since we know that side A is 1,500 miles, side B is 1,200 miles, and angle C is 130 degrees, we can plug those variables into the equation. C squared is about 6,004,035. Take the square root of that and C comes out to be about 2,450.3. Now we're going to use law of sines to find the other angles of the triangle. The law of sines is a proportion of side over sine opposite angle. So side A, which is 1,500, over sine A equals side C, which is 2,450.3, over sine C, which is sine 130. Then cross multiply and divide. Using the calculator, sine A equals about 0.47. Then, use inverse sine to find angle A. The answer is about 28 degrees. Now to find angle B, we can use triangle sum. 180 minus 28 minus 130 equals 22 degrees, which is angle B. Fill in the values that we know on the triangle. we know that this is a right angle, so we can find the third angle of this triangle. 180 minus 20 minus 90 equals 70. So this angle right here is 70 degrees. Since we know that this angle is 90 as well, we can find this portion of this angle. 90 minus 70 equals 20, and the other portion will be angle A minus 20. Angle A is 28 degrees, which will be 28 minus 20, which equals 8. So the bearing from A to B will be south 8 degrees east, and the distance is about 2,450.3 miles.